Okay, I've completed repairs to the Magnavox turntable that I got yesterday. The repair was very simple. Just getting to the part that was given the fault was the problem. And finding a screwdriver that was small enough was a problem too, or a I don't know what kind of head that is called, but you can see the screw somewhere in this area where right through there was down too low. And when it's down too low, it causes this arm not to go up high enough. It's a very simple fix. Just to take just to adjust it up and down to suit your needs. I've also got a third one of these players that goes up too high and bumps the record, so sooner or later I'm going to be adjusting that a little bit too, because I'm sure that same screw adjustment will fix that. And if you've ever wondered how these automatic players are removed from their consoles or such, it's very easy to do. Just takes a little bit of brute force if you're not kind of a weakling like me. I'll show you kind of. This is the other player that I have. I got 3 of these kind of, and the other one, the third one, is in the console and it has chrome arms on it. That one used to be my grandmother's. It's very simple to do. Just kind of get it sitting in place there, and these tabs right here, you go down in the hole and just turn into place. And you do the reverse just to get the player out. It's very simple. And if you want to lock down for transport mode, you just slide it over like so, and that way it won't spring up and down. I would suggest if you were going to ship one of these that you do that, because they didn't do that on the player that they shipped here, and that might have been what caused the damage. Also, there was a C-shaped bracket on this arm that was bent a little bit, so that might have been bounced around, and I guess it hit back there at one time. It took a blow more or less and bent a little bit, but that was simple to fix. That would just take some pliers and bend it back. Over here is the actual suitcase portable that I got yesterday, and I'll show it to you. Show you the demonstration of it. See, now it works just fine. It doesn't bump the record on top or anything when it passes under there. Here we go.
There comes to my heart one sweet strain. Oh.
Turn it off for a second. I got a beat up record on here that I don't really care about, so I ain't really worried about it. And you notice how long it's been since I've turned that switch off, and still hear my finger raking in the speaker. I was kind of amazed at how long that goes on after this player's been turned off. So I'd say the capacitors are pretty good in it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. God bless you.